Your invoice isn't just a bill, it's your brand going out into the world. With TallyPrime 7.1, you'll soon be able to express your brand identity through every invoice you send. Earlier, you had just 2 print formats. Now, you'll get access to 8 beautifully designed pre-bundled templates. These templates are ready to use and easy for you to personalize to match your business style. When you go to the sales invoice printing screen, you'll see the Change Template option. With just one click, you can browse through different templates visually, so you can instantly see what works best for your brand. No guesswork. Here, you're using a pre-saved template where you've already added your signature and footer image. Now you can take it further. You get complete flexibility to design your invoice your way. You can add a watermark as text or image. You can include a header image at the top. You can add custom fields relevant to your business. You can highlight important information and even manage multiple addresses and logos. You're also in full control of the design, from fonts and sizes to colors, so everything aligns perfectly with your brand guidelines. Once you're done, just save your changes and set the template as default for all your invoices. You'll also be able to add detailed terms and conditions in just a click. With print templates in TallyPrime 7.1, you'll save time with ready-made designs, customize with ease, and present your business more professionally. Because your business deserves to be seen at its best.